Hey there. Ever wondered why some websites show up first when you search on Google, while others are buried on page 10? That's the magic of SEO, or search engine optimization. Let's break it down. SEO is the process of improving a website to make it more visible when people search for related topics online. Think of it as the art and science of getting your website noticed by search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Here's the deal, search engines use algorithms, basically, super smart formulas, to decide which websites are most relevant. SEO helps your website check all the right boxes to climb up those rankings. It's all about making your website user-friendly. This includes things like using the right. So, whether you're a business owner, blogger, or just curious about the web, understanding SEO is your first step to standing out online. Ready to learn more? Hit that like button and subscribe.